Hello, welcome to Hiring People Inc. Please visit us at hiringpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hiring People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 37019. The job location is in New York City. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: a seasoned architect with more .NET experience and strong Azure integration services experience, and heavy Azure cloud experience, with focus also on API management, pub or sub webhooks, APIs, OAuth 2.0. 10 plus years of experience in Azure integration services, design and architecture, delivering, designing, and developing Azure architecture and providing solutions to the client. AZ303 and AZ304 certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required.
Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. Hiring People Inc. Please visit us at hiringpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hiring People on your favorite social platforms.